Hello everyone, once again you're welcome to my channel Custom Tool Venture. Okay, today I will be putting on this boubou with a scrub neckline. Okay, here is my fabric. I folded it into 4 places. Folded the first one, the second one, and then if you look at that edge, the edge with me is the close one. So I'll be measuring the neckline, which is I'm using 3.5 inches plus sewing allowance. I made it 4 inches, that is 8 divided by 2. And because it's together with the sleeve, so I'll be measuring from the neckline to the sleeve for 20 inches. Okay, then I will have to cut the back neckline first, just about 2 inches deep. I will cut the back together, and then later we have to cut the front. So I've measured now I'm measuring the slants, which is about 1 inches. Okay, and so the next one is the armhole line. The armhole line, mark it there. Okay, and then the next thing I will join the armhole line. Okay, then I took measurements of the hip from the neck to the hip, which is 25 inches. It's from that place I'll be taking the hip measurement. Okay, so I'll be taking the hip measurement, which is 44 inches. So 44 divided by 4, I have 11. Okay, and then from the 11 I'm adding 4 inches east, because it's a boubou, so I'm adding 4 inches east. Now lining for the length is about 51 inches. Okay, so the measurement for the hip side, now I take that measurement down so that there won't be the measurement is uniform. So from the measurement of the hip, I join it to the armhole line, and then take the measurement down, join to the last one too. So that sharp end there, you have to blend it. So that is the slanting for the shoulder. Join it to the sleeve, and then to make sure that the measurement is correct. If today is your first time of watching my video, why not click on that subscribe button and put on the notification bell, so that each time I upload new content, you will be among the first set of people that will see it. So I'm cutting together both the front and the back panel, and then of course down through the measurements. Okay, do like it, share it, okay, and subscribe. So these are the back panel and the front panel. So this is the back one, and then and the front one. So now I'll be cutting for the front neck. You know, the front neck is a V shape, so I'll be measuring 8 inches deep. 8 inches deep. Okay, is V, so I follow that my measurement of 8, connect it, and then mark the V shape. So now at the end of that V shape, I will go in by 1 inch. Go in by 1 inch, and from where that 1 inch stops, I will connect it back to the neckline. Thanks so much for the time spent watching my video. I appreciate it. Please do like it and share. So now I cut out the neckline, the scrub neckline. Okay, I haven't cut it now. Let's open it and see how it looks like. Beautiful. You can see how it has come out. Okay, so what are we going to do now? We have to join the front and the back panel together before I can fix in the attachment on the neck. I will join the two panels together. Let me do that, then we'll continue. Okay, I haven't joined it now, so I will need this plain fabric to put the band on the neck, and I will be working with just 2 inches wide. So that is the place where I'm going to start my band from. Okay, that's the place. So I will have to measure around the neck so that I will know the measurements of the band I'm cutting. Okay, you mark it round. Be careful, you stop at the place you marked. Yes, that place. So I'll be putting the band there now. Measure the exact amount you need. So having gotten that there, you pin it, pin the band down, pin it down through for easy sewing. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I appreciate you. Thanks to the newcomers and thanks to the old subscribers. Okay, I haven't pinned it round now, so you cut off the extra one. And then if you look at the design we are doing, there's another place on it. So I'll be adding this. Is a rectangular shape, and it's pierced into 2, and then the main fabric is used to divide it, just to design it anyway. That's the design. So when you are setting it, that main fabric will be in the center of the V. Okay, if you can do this one, put on the iron it very well. If you iron it very well and pin it to it, it will be easier for you to sew. Okay, and when I was going to do that, I of course make sure the 2 sides of the yellow fabric is the same. Okay, yes, and this not there. Okay, I will still have to, I saw that it was not correct, so cut off the excess of the main fabric, and then this time around put the proper measurement there. So still setting it to make sure it's in the center. Ironing it will make it faster for you. So the next thing I'll measure from the 2 sides, 4 inches at both sides. Then connect it to the center of the fabric there, center of that yellow side, 4 inches too, and connect it. Okay, so you fold it, and we are good to go. You can just pin it at this time before you sew it, so that it makes the work easier for you. It's beautiful, getting so beautiful already. And then for the sleeve, I will also need the band, that same fabric, plain yellow band. So I'm also using 2 inches wide too, to tape the sleeve round. Okay, that will be, this one will serve for the 2 sleeves. So the same thing, just use it around the band. Let me get to the machine and do that. You can see how it came out beautifully. Nice one.